today with I think I have five-ish products that I really wanted to like, but didn't. These are things that I was very excited about, and I'm just like bummed because I really wanted to love them, and I just don't like them. So, I mean, it's not that it's like a crap products, because crap products sometimes are just like things I'm trying and they like didn't work for me. These are things like I really wanted to love, and I'm just like a little bit sad that they don't work out for me. Most of the time I don't get too heartbroken about products, but these are some things that I just really was excited about, and then they didn't work. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoyed this video. You decided to stay a while by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up before you leave. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and let's just get into the products that I wanted to love and I just didn't. So the first is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Now, the original or the other concealer that comes in like a smaller, more concealer type packaging, I love that for under my eyes. But this for under my eyes is just so bad. I hate it. Now, I love the shade Honey for contouring. If you guys watch my videos, any of my tutorials, I've mentioned a bajillion times that the color Honey is really nice for contouring. But the regular, oh, hi Finn. Oh, he's so cute. Just the concealer itself for under eye concealing just doesn't work for me. It settles into fine lines. It creases like crazy on me. It looks heavy and cakey. It just makes my under eyes look so bad no matter what setting powder I use. So I was really bummed because I love the other one so much for under my eyes, the other Born This Way, but this one just is really not good for my under eyes. So I was really bummed because I love the other one and I really love the one in Honey, but any other shade and using this under my eyes is not working for me. Okay, the next is the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I was, again, super excited about this one. This one is the oil-free matte poreless finish full coverage, and it is SPF 40. I was very excited when this came out because there are a lot of, the illuminating one is too shimmery for my skin, and then the regular one just gets really oily on me. So I was excited about a matte one. I don't have particularly oily skin, but I was excited about this matte one, and it just accentuated texture. It accentuated, like if I had any dryness, it like clung to any peach fuzz. It just didn't make my skin look pretty, and I'm so bummed because I was really excited about this one, and it just did nothing positive for my skin. Okay, this little baby here, I love the Tatcha primer. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. This is the Pearl, and I can't get it to work for me under my eyes. A few of you said use the tiniest amount, which I've tried, and I use the tiniest amount, and I can't get it to blend in. It looks streaky and peachy under my eyes, but it doesn't ever blend in, and I just cannot figure this out. I've used a little, I've used a lot. It's in the shade Moonlight, and I cannot get this to work for me. So if you have tips and tricks, let me know down in the comments below. I was very excited about it. It's the Under Light and Eye Treatment, and it just does not look good under my eyes. The next are these KKW and Mario lip products. And I got the color Classic K and Juicy. These aren't particularly cheap. And the packaging is like so plasticky and crappy and just like the most chintzy cheap packaging, which is super disappointing. Also, the color just looks so different in person than it did online. This is in Classic K, and it smells like dollar store lipstick. And it just like doesn't look good on my lips. It's my very first KKW lip product, and it sat weird on my lips. The color was not flattering, and I was really bummed because I was excited to try it because I love the eyeshadow palettes I've purchased. But the lip product, the packaging is just garbage and cheapy. The color is not what it looked like online, and it just sits on top of my lips really odd. And the gloss, this is in Juicy, and the packaging is a little bit better on this. It's still pretty like cheap feeling to me, but the gloss, like, again, this looks way more orange It's way more orange in person than it does look online. And it's very goopy, it's sticky, it doesn't feel good on the lips. So it was just a major disappointment because I was very excited about these, and the color is just all wrong. I don't like the formula, I don't like the packaging, and I don't like the way it feels on my lips. All right, the next is also a KKW product. This is the highlighter palette. Again, very excited about it. It was broken when I got it. So this bottom shade is like cracked and coming out. But this looks so powdery on my skin. Like, I put it on and it's patchy, it's powdery, it doesn't give like a, it just doesn't look good. I don't know what it is, like the formula, I don't know what, but it's just like so powdery and nothing exciting. Like, for how expensive these are, I would have thought that the quality would have been a lot better. But honestly, the Revolution Beauty palette that I've shown a million times, the one in Incandescent, is a fraction of the cost, and it has so much more of a punch. The pigment is there. This, like, I love the packaging of it, but one, it came broken and they wouldn't do anything about it. And two, the highlighters aren't that good at all. And I'm so bummed because I do not get like a really pretty glow. It's almost more of this chalky, powdery highlight, and I'm like, not about that life. Then the last I'm actually really sad about because I got this in PR yesterday. I was so excited to play with it today, so I started to do an eye look and I literally hated it. But the Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette, like, I really wanted to love this. I feel like I feel the same way about this as I did the Back Talk palette. It just didn't, like, I don't know, like, I love Urban Decay Naked palettes. The Heat one is gorgeous. I actually need to pull that one out. They're beautiful, but I don't know. I really was not happy with like the look that I came out with. And I tried 2 different looks before I finally just took it all off and used something completely different. But I didn't love the way that they were blending. I didn't love the way they blended with each other. I don't know, I'm just so sad because it's so beautiful, but I don't know. I don't know if it's the color story in it. I don't know if some of the shades are just too similar. I don't know if they pull just like really, really pink. It's pretty and very beautiful to look at, but I was just like underwhelmed with the way that the shadows were blending on my eyes. And sometimes it was like getting really patchy. Other times, like, I couldn't get it to build up. It was taking away in some spots. So it's really beautiful, and I was very excited to try this, but this morning, man, I was having one heck of a time trying to get a really pretty look out of it. Some of the colors I couldn't get to build up to a good intensity. Some of them were like so difficult to blend out. So it's really pretty, but I'm like so bummed because I took my makeup off twice and redid it, and then finally like gave up and went with what I'm wearing today. So anyways, those are the products that I really was excited about, really wanted to love, and they just didn't work for me. If you have any of these and you love them and you have a similar taste or skin type as I do, let me know how you get them to work for you. I am very open to suggestions because, except for like these, because the colors and the way it looks and feels on the lips is just not nice. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.